Maybe that plane landed just over there. There's the airport to the right. All the mining executives, no doubt. Oh, rotating. Maybe if there's maybe I'll just get food up ahead. Could be a little place to eat, and then I won't even go back. And I still really haven't seen the ocean. Let me tell you.com. Just there. Just there. Right, I'm not going to the airport. Let's go to the Running Country Club, order fish and chips. Be up, I guess so. But well, quite sure these guys will have planned for that. So 60, getting closer. Da-da. 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 Atlantic Ocean. Big cloud bank, you can see ahead. Rolling off the freezing sea. And this is the OCC, Runnemund Bar Ice Wood. The Runnemund Golf Club. Home of the Sperrgebied Open. Main entrance. Well, let's go and take a look. Bike, that's an interesting thing when I switch off, whoop. As I turn it off, it does a whoop. I think that's got to do because I'm at sea level. We'll see. See you just now.